Hi, this is Simon from AndroidSPIN. I just wanted to give you guys a quick demo of the new Sense 3.0 ROM from Evil D. The ROM is called Virtuous Fusion. He's put together an awesome ROM for us all to play with. It's like I said, it's based on Sense 3.0. It's got all the new 3D animations, the enhanced lock screens, lots of really cool features. He's also incorporated the Wi-Fi calling, so if you're on T-Mobile, that's an excellent feature to have. He was able to get it running pretty smoothly using the new leaked kernel from the Gingerbread leak that was out for the early MySense from T-Mobile. That's the kernel 2.6.35.10. It's a huge ROM. I think it was like 360 meg download, but now the device is powered up, so let's take a look. This is the new home screen. Lock screen, should I say. We are now entering the home screen. So I just powered everything on from scratch. You can see it started up pretty quickly. Give it a couple of seconds just to level out. You might see some lag there, but I can tell you once this ROM is loaded and working, there is no lag. It's smooth, it's fast. I've had no forced closes. There are a few widgets that don't work. I know they'll be fixing things as they go on. Some of the weather screens, the 3D weather, the basic functionality is there, but he's released a new update that swaps out some of the 3D widgets for 2D widgets. So it is a very cool 3D interface. I don't know if you guys can see there, but if you watch the temperature at the top, you'll see it actually comes out into the screen. Everything has this really cool 3D effect. Any widgets you might see there, the people, the writing, the icon up in the top left hand corner, it's all coming out into the screen. You see the home clock as I go to the side. You can actually see the side of the flip clock. So it's all in 3D. It's pretty cool. And if I can get it to do it, a fast flip and you get all your home screen spinning around. Which looks pretty cool, but it's not really too functional. I mean, you can do that and then you can grab it and move to the screen you want and let go and it'll come to the front. But there's no way to, you know, if I want to zoom out and then scroll through them to see which one you want, it's very difficult. You can see there it zoomed back into the screen. So, looks cool. Certainly a very nice feature. There are lots of cool things about this ROM, like, let me show you the lock screen. I've currently got weather turned on. You can see that 3D effect as the weather zoomed into the screen. I can unlock it by sliding the ring into the middle of the screen, or I can take any of these icons, which are quick icons just to launch applications directly from the lock screen. So if I wanted to go directly into my messaging, I can grab the messaging app, drag it onto the ring, and let go, and we go straight into messaging. So some pretty cool features. The ROM itself, let's see what else we've got in here. You've got all your standard Sense features. They've got a couple of things in here like mirror. We'll probably see me here. Hi, there we go. The mirror feature for you ladies out there, I think, that want to do your makeup and stuff. It's got the built-in media sharing, so you can link directly with all your home movies. You can play the movies from your phone onto any media connected device. The rest of it's pretty standard. Even videos. That's the new HTC videos. Sorry, no, that's just the regular videos that are on the device. There is, even though it doesn't appear as an application, there's a widget you can add which is movies and lets you purchase movies. It does not work, you can't purchase things. Let's see what we can take here. Let's get rid of the calendar widget. Usual, long press, you get your settings for the home screen. You can do a lot more customizations here now. adding your widgets, applications, shortcuts, folders, setting alarms. You can select a scene from HTC which configures the look of the device. You've got your skin, you've got your wallpapers, and you've got your lock screen. This is pretty cool. So my lock screen, I was on the weather setting, which is there. There are all sorts of other settings you can go through. It's hard to actually see. You can put a clock. This one cycles through wallpapers, the weather you've just seen. The friend stream is pretty cool. I'll show you that one. You've got stocks. I don't have any stocks set up, or your photo album. And everything that's in your photo spins through. So I haven't actually tried this one, but we'll go back. So if I lock the device, then unlock it, I'm guessing here's the photo album. So it's taking all the photos that are on the device. Now, don't know which album this is taking, but it's certainly not mine. So like I said, I haven't played with that too much. But pretty cool effects. So again, you can do that from the personalize, which is the same as long pressing. Go to the lock screen. We can do a friend stream. That's a pretty cool one too. So let's get back to the home screen. Lock the device. Go to unlock. There's my friend streams. You can flick through them. You've got miscellaneous ones floating in the background. So there's my Twitter feeds, my Facebook feeds, any of my friend streams. So they really have done some pretty cool stuff. So like I said, I think we're stabilized now. You know, the machine's booted up. There's my bookmarks. Everything seems to work. And let's go into AndroidSPIN, see how the site loads. I've turned off the mobile view. I wanted to play around and see how the full browser worked using full web pages. And as you can see, I am on Wi-Fi right now, obviously. You know, it's pretty fast. Regular stuff. If you zoom all the way out, the ads on AndroidSPIN, I need to put a block on that for mobile browsing, do take up quite a bit of memory. So there you have it. This is the Virtuous Fusion for the myTouch 4G. When you go and look at the software version, it does actually say HTC Sense version 2.1. I'm not sure why. I haven't asked that question yet. It is Android 2.3.3. What else can we show you here? Software information, battery. The battery seems pretty good. I ran all day today. I think I had it on plugged into my computer just for maybe 10 minutes, and it's about 50%. What else is working? What else is not working? You cannot use any of the HTC connected tools, like if I go to personalize, I go into scenes, there's the default HTC scene that you're looking at. If I click on get more, this was failing. Yep, no data available. That happens with most, like the sound schemes. I'm sure that's something that will get worked on as time goes on. There's quite a few widgets. Some work, some don't work. I have not tried his new release yet. I will try that afterwards, but I wanted to show you some of the 3D effects. For example, if you're on the weather widget works, except, and you see the pretty cool effects, you can see the clouds down at the bottom. My weather details are down the right hand side and it's off the screen. That's to do with the resolution. Let's see if I can no, my focus is set for different distance. I turned off my autofocus because I didn't want it going in and out while I was doing stuff. So now it's not going to focus, but that's okay. So there you have it. That is Sense 3.0. It's running on the myTouch 4G. It's smooth, it's fast, works great. Evil D has done an excellent job. I don't think I've ever loaded one of his ROMs and not had success. So, awesome job, guys. I hope this video gives you a little bit of insight into his new ROM, and head over and download it. You can head over to communityrelease.com and head out to the new release list that shows many of the new ROMs for most devices. So enjoy, and thanks.